She walks faster.
I'm gonna get a chair for you.
Come. So it's my pleasure, utmost and utter pleasure, to introduce this beautiful family, right? So, Amma, you're the starting point of this lovely family. You're representing us as the oldest one. So we are really happy to be here with you. Some of my cousins have come from Texas. Give them a big hand, Revati and family. Others have come from LA, including my niece Malika, right here. From LA, she got onto that van and she got here. Yeah, so it's amazing. And then Chetan, and then my first cousin Babu Chetan. Okay, my first cousin Babu Chetan.
I don't have much to say except wish her the best. Chitama. Okay. It's wonderful that she's crossing 90 and she still looks young and vibrant. And the whole family loves her so much. And I don't want to miss her. So we decided to meet Malika all the way from LA. So it was a task for us, but we made it just for her family. So wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I'm going to just have us do a family song. Purni, family song. Come here. Chinna Chinna Asai, come. So this song is Chinna Chinna Asai, which is in Hindi, it is Dil Hai Chota Sa, Choti Si Asha. So that's exactly what it means. The little desires that my mother has always had in all these years. I hope we bring them to fruition, some of them, and I hope it continues to give her, she continues to discover. Thank you. Okay, so. Chinna Chinna Asai, Wasn't that so beautiful?
ये प्रकाशिनी जननी जननी मायायवनिगे कप्पुरमल्लो मधुरोदारमां निन् मणिपीठं मायायवनिगे कप्पुरमल्लो मधुरोदारमां निन् मणिपीठं कालमां கடலின் அக்கரையல்லோ கோபுரர ககவாடம் மின் கோபுரர ககவாடம் ஜனனி ஜனனி தேக் के
என்னுயிரே என்னுயிரே தாவும் நீதானே கண்ணிரண்டில் நீர்ந்து பார்வை தந்தாயே ஒருவென்று சொன்னா நீதானே ஒரு பூந்தேனே வரவும் தவமும் நீயே வளையும் மறந்து நீயே உயிரில் கலந்த என் தாயே தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ 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 செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ 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 செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ செல்ல தங்கோ தங்கோ
shelter to her progeny, love abundant against all odds, monstrously proud of her herd, fathomless well-wisher, and ultimate connoisseur of family love. A mom's true love shines through only if her compassion entails unbounded kindness. For her mind knows that kindness hindered is paradise lost. When this mom is a singing Michelin chef,
She's singing first.
Late April and May Taurus are calling all the Geminis here. There are names here. Poonam, Vikas, Chitra, Usha, Art, Divya, Rajesh, Kanchan, the other Divya niece, Sudipta, Manohar, everybody kind of.
Only you.
We Taurians are calling the Geminis.
No, but yours is me, right?
That's okay, I'm not there. I'm not there. So the Geminis in the house. Mic on பண்ணு பண்ணி அது ஆன் ஆனா இருக்கு
It's on, it's on. Everybody quiet. Mama. You have to stop again. Stop.
After the lovely musical feast that you have given me, I am impaled by insignificance. But still, I want to. We have a very great composer, he is no more, great Rama Bhakta, and I am a great fan of that Guru. He is a saint. He is no more. And he has composed many songs. His name is Tyagaraja. He sang one song in Karahara Priya. The Karahara Priya is also my own dad's favorite raga. So I remembered my dad this morning, and so I'm going to sing that song, and it is by Tyagaraja. First of all, I must tell you the meaning of that, just briefly. That is, this person, Tyagaraja, is blaming his own mind, saying, when there is a very broad highway in front of you, why are you walking in bylanes? Chakkani Raja Margam undaka Sanduna Dooranela Varmasa. When there is a highway in front of you, why are you walking in bylanes and short things and all? Second, next thing, Anupalvi, he says, Chikkani Palum Megada undaka. When there is creamy milk all the time, such rich creamy milk, why are you taking Ganga Sagaram? Ganga Sagaram is a euphemism for toddy. Why are you taking Ganga Sagaram when you have creamy, rich milk which is full of megada, that cream on top? When there is something like that, why do you go in for this inferior thing? And the charanam is really the significant thing. Kantiki sundara dharamani rupame, when in front of your eye, in front of the eyes, very beautiful Shiva is there, and his thing is Mukkanti noti chalake namame Tyagaraja. That is his own incarnation like person is this Tyagaraja, Saint Tyagaraja, who was a great Rama Bhakta. He was Rama Bhakta. In his own house, Rama is seated. Rama is actually reclining in his own house, and such Tyagaraja's bhakti you don't realize, and you are going to highways where you are missing a highway and going by lanes. That is, you don't do this mammon worship. Mammon worship. Don't go on doing worshipping money. That's how you are getting spoiled. That's the meaning of that song.
Beautiful.
And early morning, because it's my 90th birthday, first thing I did my prayer to my father and mother.
పాడుమా పాడు పాడు పాడు
చక్కని రాజ మాగముండక చక్కని రాజ మాగము ఉండక చక్కని రాజ మార్గము 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 ఉండక సందున దూర నేలవో మనస చక్కని రాజ మార్గము ఉండక చక్కని రాజ మార్గము ఉండక సందూర నేల ఓ మనస చక్కని రాజ మార్గము ఉండక చిక్కని పాయు మీగడ ఉండక చిక్కని పాలు మీగడ ఉండక చేయను గంగా సాగర మేల చిక్కని పాలు మీగడయుండక చేయను గంగా సాగర మేల చక్కని రాజ మార్గము యుండక సంగుణ దూర నేల ఓ మనస చక్కని రాజ కంటి
ചപ്പര മന്ദത്തിലാട സ്വപ്ന ലോകത്തിൽ കൂട ശയന നേരം മന്മദയാനം സുന്ദരി നീ സുന്ദരം ഞാൻ ചേർന്നിരുന്ന തിരുവോണം
സുന്ദരി ജ്ഞാനം
से पागल है दिल आज खुशी से पागल है मैं जाने वफा तुमको बनी मैं जाने वफा तुमको बनी तू न बने पागल
The thing is, Krishna was supposed to be very mischievous. That was his Maya, actually, illusion. As God, he wanted to show how people actually, worldly people, his own creations, how they behave, how they sometimes get jealous of each other, sometimes play mischief with each other, and all that. And finally, they get God realization. That's what this Subramanya Bharati, a favorite poet of mine, Tamil poet, he composed this song, but actually it was introduced to me, though I've read many parts of Subramanya Bharati's book, I didn't read this particular song at all, but one of Bunny's young stage teacher, dance teacher, she introduced that song. I have heard the tune also. She introduced that song and Bunny has danced for that song for about when she was 10 years old and got great acclaim for it. So, if I sing that song, you try to understand. If you don't understand, you tell me, I'll tell you the meaning. தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களு ஓயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களு ஓயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை தின்ன பழம் கொண்டு தருவான் தின்ன பழம் கொண்டு தருவான் பாதி தின்கின்ற போதிலே தட்டி பறிப்பான் தின்ன பழம் கொண்டு தருவான் என்னப்பன் என்னையன் என்றான் என்னப்பன் என்னையன் என்றான் அதை எச்சிற்படுத்தி கடித்து கொடுப்பான் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்கள் கோயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை அழகுள்ள மலர் கொண்டு வந்தே என்னை அழ செய்து பின் கண்ணை மூடிக்கொள் அழகுள்ள பழம் கொண்டு வந்தே என்னை அழ செய்து பின் கண்ணை மூடிக்கொள் குழலிலே சூட்டுவேன் என்பான் குழலிலே சூட்டுவேன் என்பான் கண்ணை குருடாக்கி மலரினை தோழிக்கு வைப்பான் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களு கோயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை பின்னலை பின்னின்றிருப்பான் கண்ணன் பின்னலை பின்னின்றிருப்பான் தலை பின்னே திரும்பும் முன்னே சென்று மறைவான் வண்ண புது சேலை தனிலே வண்ண புது சேலை தனிலே புழுதி பாடித்தழித்து வருத்தி உலைப்பார் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணு தெரியும் பெண்களு கோயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் கண்ணன் புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் அமுது பொங்கி ததும்பும் நல் கீதம் படிப்பான் கள்ளால் மயங்குவது போலே கள்ளால் மயங்குவது போலே அதை கண்மூடி வாய் திறந்து கேட்டிருப்போம் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணு தெருவிலே பெண்கள் கோயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை.
say little things like, she's a highborn. She was born with a silver spoon in her mouth. We were not. I was not, but she was. And she grew up in those stately, Madras. Her father was the Chief Justice of Madras, and she comes from the very first novelist in Tamil Nadu, and all those things. All composers, artists, everything. She herself did her botany masters at the age of 19, and by that time she started teaching in universities. For 10 years she taught in universities botany. And till today, if you ask her tomes, she can actually read off her books to us. That's how much her memory, that should. So till today. And so she's an artist, she's a Veena player. She did radio, great Veena. She sings Carnatic music. And just Sakala Kala Vandavi. So I am so proud to, and my brother, I know, and the grandkids, that we get some little things from her. So we're really happy that we get a little bit, and she's spreading the joy. So I'm going to sing a song, Amma, and then you sing. So my song is, it's actually a little boy who sings it, but I'll sing it as a girl, hopefully, because I may not I may not change the R to E quickly enough. Too late, right? So that song is very close to my heart. It's about Ma from Tare Zameen Par. And it's close because the boy says, Mom, why do you not like me? Why do you hate me so much? Why do you fight with me? Why do I fight with you? So my mom and me, we are like that. We're the closest bond, but we also are like, yeah. In 1 second we start fighting with each other. You'll hear it. My brother, he's far away, but he and she never have had a fight in their life. And me, every minute I have a fight with my mom. So this song is dedicated to that, Amma, to a love-hate, fun relationship. Thank you for japing, Aditi, Mom. Kids, everybody, it's for Amma. Amma, this is for you. Happy birthday, Amma. You should understand. चैन के आने देती नहीं, दिल ही दिल में घबराती हूँ तुझे सब है पता है ना मेरी मैं कभी बतलाती नहीं, पर गहरी सी डरती हूँ मैं यूं तो मैं दिखलाती नहीं, तेरी परवाह करती हूँ मैं मुझे सब है पता है ना, मुझे सब है पता Thank you everyone. And I hope it continues that way with this lovely family. You are represented us as the oldest one, so we are really happy to be here with you. Some of my cousins have come from Texas. Give them a big hand, Revati and family. Others have come from LA, including my niece Malika, right here. From LA, she got onto that van and she got here. Yeah, so it's amazing. And then some of them are here from New York, Vidur, my nephew. And many others are here from all over the Bay Area. Maini Chechi, everybody. It's such a pleasure to have my father's side here also. Chechi, I call them Chetan. And then my first cousin Babu Chetan. Okay. And prayer song by my Babu Chetan.
जननी 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 जाने न नजर पहचान जिगर ये कौन जो दिल पर छाया
मेरा रंग मुस्काया, मेरा रंग मुस्काया, मेरा नजर पहचान जिगर ये कौन जो दिल पर छाया, मेरा रंग मुस्काया, मेरा रंग मुस्काया। मुझे सुस्त कदम रसते, मुझे तेज कदम लागे,
पत्थर की हवेली को शीशे के घरों में दिल को के नशे मन से मोड़ से जाते
इस मोड़ से जाते हैं।
फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए, मैंने तो बस यही मांगी है दुआएं। फूलों की तरह हम सदा मुस्कुराए, गाते रहे हम खुशियों के